Welcome back to Apple Insider, the home for everything tech, innovation, and design. Today, we're diving into something that feels like a return of a legend. A phone that once defined professionalism, security, and class, and now it's back in a modern, powerful form. This is the all-new BlackBerry Curve 5G, and it's here to prove that old-school charm can coexist with modern-day power. So sit tight, because this might just be one of the most refreshing smartphones we've seen in a while. Let's begin with point number 1, design and build quality. The BlackBerry Curve 5G immediately stands out the moment you hold it. It brings back that iconic BlackBerry DNA, solid construction, ergonomic design, and that satisfying curve that fits perfectly into your palm. The back panel features a soft matte finish that resists fingerprints and provides a luxurious feel, while the metallic frame running around the edges adds a premium touch. Every button feels tactile and sturdy, from the power key to the volume rockers and even the customizable BlackBerry convenience key, which you can assign to your most used app or feature. The physical keyboard returns, but with a twist. It's now subtly integrated into the lower portion of the display with haptic feedback that mimics real key presses. For those who love typing on BlackBerry devices, this feature is a nostalgic revival done right. The phone is also surprisingly slim despite its durable build, with a perfect weight balance that gives it a premium hand feel. BlackBerry has focused on durability too, using Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the curved front display, and the device is IP68 certified, making it dust and water resistant. This is a phone that's built to last, not just to impress. Moving on to number 2, display. The BlackBerry Curve 5G features a 6.5-inch AMOLED curved edge display that blends seamlessly into the frame. It's bright, vibrant, and incredibly sharp, boasting a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This combination delivers a buttery smooth experience whether you're scrolling through your messages, watching videos, or browsing the web. The curved edges aren't just for show, they add an immersive feel, and BlackBerry has added smart edge controls for quick access to notifications, shortcuts, and multitasking features. The display supports HDR10+, making streaming content on Netflix or YouTube a treat, with deep blacks and vivid color accuracy. Outdoor visibility is excellent thanks to its peak brightness of 1600 nits, which ensures clarity even under direct sunlight. Whether you're working on documents, editing photos, or watching movies, the screen delivers true-to-life tones and a visual experience that feels ahead of its time. Let's talk about point number 3, performance. Under the hood, the BlackBerry Curve 5G packs Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of internal UFS 4.0 storage. This